Okay, here's another example. Let me read it first and then we'll jump right in. Okay, it says, the cathedral ceiling in a family room creates two opposite facing walls, each with the shape and dimensions shown on the board. The homeowner wishes to have them surfaced with textured drywall at a cost of 59 cents per square foot. What will be the total cost of the two walls? Okay, so now, we're going to be dealing with area. Why? Because they want, well, a couple of things. They want textured drywall. They want this painted with textured drywall. So they're talking about covering the surface of it. That keys in that we're talking about area. Also, the quote for the cost is given per square foot. 59 cents per square foot. Okay. Plus there's two facing walls, right? So there's going to be double this area. So that's another thing to keep in mind. So this is one wall, and we got to keep in mind that there's two walls. So when we figure out the cost of one wall, we're going to have to double it. Or you can figure out the area of one wall and double it and then calculate your cost. Whichever way you do it is fine. You'll get the same answer. So let's calculate the area of this wall. Okay, so it's given in mixed units. Okay, so it's given in feet and inches. So we need to make sure we convert these into 1 unit. Okay, but let's do that first because we're going to be multiplying, right? So what's the area? Oh, by the way, also realize that these are trapezoids, right? So you've got two parallel, right, the walls. You've got two parallel lines, the walls. And then you've got that's the only set of parallel sides. The other two sides are not parallel. Okay, so now let's write the formula, right? The area formula is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. Well, the height in this case is what? Well, here's where you have to do a little bit of gymnastics. Remember, the parallel sides represent the bases. So let's say this is base 1 and this is base 2, which means this is going to be the height. And it's the height because it also forms a perpendicular line to the bases, which also tells you that this is the height. Okay, so now let's plug and chug. So this is going to be 1/2. The height is going to be what? Well, this is 10 feet, 6 inches, which is the same as 10.5 feet. So we're going to put in 10.5 feet. Okay? Now, the sum of the bases. Well, the sum of the bases is 11 feet, 9 inches. Right? So this is going to be 11 feet, 9 inches plus 8 feet, 3 inches. Well, this is going to be 1/2 times 10.5 feet. Now, if we convert these into feet, let's add them first and then regroup. So this is 11 feet plus 8 feet, which is what? 19 feet. And then we add the inches. 9 inches plus 3 inches is 12 inches, but 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So we're going to add the 1 foot to the 19, which gives us 20 feet. All right, so this makes it easy, okay? So, well, 1/2 of 20 is 10. 10 times 10.5 is 105 square feet. Okay, so now, at this point, let's double the area because we've got two walls. Let's double the area. So the area of the two walls, right, is going to equal 210 square feet. And now we know that 59 cents per square foot, okay? So 59 cents per square foot. So the cost is going to be equal to what? It's going to be 210 square feet times 59 cents. Okay. So this is going to be, ignore the decimal point. Again, you can put this in your calculator or just, do it by hand. So it's going to be 5, right? 50. This is 50 times 210. So that's going to be, let's see, 10,500. So 10,500, right? So if you do 100, this is 50. If you do 100 times this, you get 21,000. But half of that is 10,500. So 50 times 210 is 10,500. And then 9 times 210, well, is going to be what? $1,890, right? Yeah, 2 times 9 is 18, but that's going to be 1,800, and then 1,890, so it's going to be 1,890, and so we add that up, and we get what? 1, 2, 3, 9, 0, then we move 2 decimal places over. And so our final answer, the cost to do both walls is going to be $123.90. And again, there's nothing wrong with just putting in your calculator and getting the answer. Okay? That's it. Have a great day.